Hey guys, so we're going to be doing a requested video today. It's my perfume collection, and then after that I'll do a what's in my handbag, because that's also another requested video. You do not want to know what's in there. So I've got 9 perfumes and 3 body mists, so I guess 12 cents in total. If I had more body mists I would do a separate video on it, but I may as well include it within perfumes just because it's not even worth me doing a separate video and talking about it. So in 9th place then is this one here. It's the Ariana Grande dupe, Sweetie Sweetie. I wouldn't mind actually getting the perfume. Now I've thought about it, I wouldn't actually mind getting it, and just double checking that it is a dupe. When I did the video for this, I thought, no, it's not a dupe, that. But when the scent kind of died down a little bit, it smelled exactly like this body mist. So, yeah, that's in 9th place. And 9th place seems quite far down, doesn't it? I mean, I do really like it, and I think it's great value for money. If you live in the UK, you can buy it from Bodycare. I'm not too happy that it's £4.99, because when I bought this it was £2.99, so they're obviously marking them up. But even at £4.99 for 100, I think it's 100ml. Yeah, it's 100ml. Lavali Fragrances is made in Los Angeles in Canada, so that's where it comes from. So you might even be able to get these in the US, guys, if that's where it's made. So that's 9th place. You might be shocked where a high-end perfume is going to fall. We'll talk about that when I get there. 8th place is this one. It's called Just G. It's another dupe perfume. I can't remember what it's a dupe for. I think it's Jean Paul Gaultier, one of his perfumes. My mum's actually been using hers for a while now. It just looks like that. What a gorgeous bottle that is. It's absolutely stunning, and it smells really nice too. So that's that. Okay, 7th place. I'm sure you'll know what this is a dupe for, just looking at the box even. So it's called Jardin Eau de Parfum d'Amour. This is 100ml as well. They all came from the same place. They're all Lavali Fragrances. And I know for sure that you can get it on eBay. So I found this one and they was trying to sell it for £17. Can you believe that? For a few pounds extra you can get a 30ml of the Ariana Grande one. So why would you pay £17 for a dupe perfume? It just doesn't make any sense. Anyway, this is the Dior dupe. So it just looks like that. So that one is 9, 8, 7th place. The next one is the one that I think you'll be surprised at. You'll probably be like, Andy, I thought it would have ranked a little bit higher than that. So 9, 8, 7, 6th place. 6th place is the YSL Black Opium. I bought this when I didn't really know what my perfume preferences were. I really need to use it up. I won't buy it again because it's not for me. It's very musky, and I'm a very sweet scented perfume gal. So I mean, it's a full bottle, guys. You can see that I barely used it. I mean, if I could sell this I would. Maybe I should try on Depop. Sell it for a really cheap price. £30 or something. How many mils is in it? 50. How much does it go for, this? I'm sure it goes for more than £30. So maybe sell it for £25–30, because I'd rather have that in my pocket than be using this just for the sake of using it. I'd rather let somebody get good use out of it. But then obviously I have to sell it in the UK because you can't ship perfumes abroad. So that's something that's just come to mind there. So 9, 8, 7, 6. 5th place is one I'm using now. So it's the Madonna So Sweet, and it is so sweet. I absolutely love this perfume. I don't know why they don't have tops on them, because when I opened this perfume it had like a clear plastic on it, so they've just sold them without tops. It's very cheap. Like, the scent doesn't smell cheap or anything like that, but the bottle's cheap, and I understand now why. I think I either paid 99 pence or £1.99, but how much are you getting in? 50ml. So yeah, I'm using that one up now. That's kind of my project perfume. The one that I've used up prior to that is 98765, 4th place, is this Karl Lagerfeld one. I absolutely adored using this. I think this was 50ml as well. It doesn't say on the bottle. I'm sure it does. I nearly broke it. I've tinted it there. Dropped on the floor. But yeah, I would get this again in a heartbeat. I really, really liked it. So that's 4th place. 3rd place, I've only had it on a couple of times, but I really, really enjoy this Beyonce Heat Rush. And I'll definitely, they've got a red bottled one, so I wouldn't mind trying that. So yeah, so this one is in 3rd place. So it's only a small bottle. I think it's 30, is it? Yeah, so this one's only 30ml. I always just normally buy 30ml. If I can get a perfume that is only a little bit extra for 50ml, I'll buy that. But I just like, I don't really buy the same scent twice, and that's why I always buy just a small bottle of it. So that's 30ml. And you've seen how many perfumes I've got, you know. Probably be going through these till this time next year, and then I'll probably have like 4 or 5 left. And when I get down to maybe 4 or 5 and I've got rid of all my body mists, maybe then I'll buy the Sweet Like Candy Ariana Grande perfume, because I really do like her perfumes. 2nd place, so we've got this God Is a Woman perfume that Lisa kindly bought me for my birthday. Doesn't she look pretty? I couldn't get rid of the box. The box is very, very bulky, but I couldn't get rid of it. This is what it looks like. A lot of people, well, I say a lot of people, but both Naomi and Lisa didn't like this. I actually think it's what makes the perfume. I think they've got it stored like that. I've said this before, I think it looks cheap like that personally, but it's kind of like each to their own. I do really, really like the aesthetic of it like that. And if I didn't like the box that it comes in, I probably would just have it stored just back there like that. Can you guess what's in 1st place? If you know my perfume collection, or have been around the channel for longer than a minute, you might know what it is. So in 1st place, I have had this a while now. My mum got it me a couple of years ago, and it's the Dior J'adore perfume. I do want to try another Dior perfume, so I might even treat myself to that in the Black Friday sale. Miss Dior. And they've got a few Miss Dior ones out, haven't they? So, look. You can see just how little I've used it. But I've got a dupe of it now in this. So let me show you them together. So this is more concentrated. I feel like this one is kind of not one of the really, really strong ones. If you put them together, like the other Dior one that I've had in the past has been this colour, but I still really, really like the scent, and you can see that they've really tried to dupe it. So let's put it on the back of the hand. So I'm putting this on the left hand back. Yeah. I mean, I wear this one. I wear the original when I go out to dinner, when I go to the cinema, when I go out on a date, which is few and far between. I've got a date story coming up. I'll do a story time on it, maybe in a live or maybe just in a sit down, chatty, get ready with me. But you'll hear it really, really soon, and you won't believe it, guys. I mean, the guy was a 1st class tool. So let's put this one on the right hand. Oh gosh, I can smell this. As soon as I put it there, I can smell it straight away. Yeah, the left hand does smell very, very similar. So if you want to try the Dior, it's Dior Jardin, if you can get it. I would say it's very, very worth the £4.99, considering this one at full price. I was looking to buy it my mum at Christmas last year, but I just couldn't afford it. It was £70, and she wouldn't want me spending that kind of money on her anyway. And then the Miss Dior one was a lot cheaper, but my brother and his wife bought the Miss Dior for her. This year I really want to try and get her this, because she deserves it, you know. she does a lot for me, you know, she's always there when I need her, and I know that's what mums do, right? But I feel like I want to really splash out and treat her this year. So this side is Dior. Yeah, and that side is Jardin. They do smell very, very similar. This smells a little bit stronger. So although it's less concentrated, it looks almost like water. It smells a lot stronger, but that could change, obviously, over time. Like, I shouldn't really judge it. Like, when I'm editing the video, I'll put it in the video on what my thoughts are on it. But even if it's just a tiny bit similar, it's worth buying it, the Jardin, just purely because it's a good substitute for this. Right, so that's all of the perfumes. So now we're going to move over to the body mist. So you'll be able to guess what my favourite body mist is. There's only 3 here. So in third place, I've got a new one from Morag, and I've not really had chance to use it, and that's why it's in third place. So it comes in a little bottle like this, and it's called Aura Body Fragrance Mist. It's in the scent Tropique. So yeah, that's third place, definitely. Then second place, I've got one from Primark. I've had this a while. I think I've used it about once. So this is the PS Summer Blossom Hair and Body Mist. I don't think I'd use this in my hair. Let me know if you guys would. Let's put some in there. Yeah, that's definitely second place. So that's second place. And I like the body mist because you get much more product than you would in the perfume. So this one comes with 150ml. This one's only a travel size, but you're still getting 50ml. And then in first place, of course it had to be Sweet Like Candy. So in this one you're getting 236ml. So yeah, I mean, that's everything I've got, like 12 cents in total, as I said. This one can now go in my empties, and we'll talk about it at the end of the year even more, or we'll just bypass it and you'll see what I've used for the entire year. I always do a perfume and a makeup empties at the end of the year, so you'll be able to see that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know what your favourite perfume is down below, and do you like sweet or musky scents, or is it a mixture of both? I'd really love to know that in the comments. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, it really does help get my channel out there, and I massively appreciate it. Share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hey guys, so Editing Andrea is back, and those 2 perfumes, so that Dior perfume and then that Jardin perfume, smell so alike. Yeah, they smell so alike. They're very similar. So if you want to save yourself a few pounds, dollars, maybe go and have a look for it. It smells so similar. Those 2 perfumes smell very similar. Now that the scents kind of gone into my arm and I've smelled each side, they're very similar. But it's whether the Dior one will last longer on the hand. So what I want to do is just leave them on the hand, and then later on in the video when I'm editing it, I will put whether the dupe for it actually stayed on the hand as long as the Dior one, so then you can know. But anyway, I just feel like it's good value for money. 100ml for like $4.99. And no, I'm not an affiliate. I wish. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye guys.